Hey guys, this is Percentages Day 16. We are doing more word problems today. Yay! We're going to get back to drawing some bar models. Alright, first one. Ian has $56. Brandon has 20% more money than Ian. How much money does Brandon have? Alright, so if we're looking for Brandon's amount of money, we're going to need to find 120% of $56. Make sure that you draw these bar models, you guys. So Ian is our standard of comparison. That's what we're comparing to. That's our 100%. Brandon has 20% more, so that's 120%. So we're going to set that up like you see in front of you. And we're going to do the math on that. And we're going to get $67.20. Okay, Romeo has $44. Juliet has 30% more money than Romeo. How much money does Juliet have? This is very similar to that last problem. I bet you can do this on your own and come back and check your work. But start off by drawing your bar models. So Romeo is our 100% and he has $44. Since we're comparing Juliet to Romeo, we'll put Juliet in the numerator as 130% of Romeo's 100% of $44. So we're finding 130% of 44, and we're going to get $57.20. As you're doing these, you guys, make sure you're asking yourself the question, am I trying to find a percent right now, or am I trying to find a quantity? So that you know what your end goal is. Because if you're trying to find a percent, remember that's going to be a little bit different because you're going to use a method 1 or method 2 to convert a fraction to a percent. But in these two word problems, we are finding a quantity. Okay, package A weighs 5 kilograms and package B weighs 15% less than package A. Find the weight of package B. So again, we're finding a quantity in this word problem here. So if package A weighs 5 kilograms and we're comparing package B to it, package A is our 100% at 5 kilograms. Package B has 15% less, which means it has 85% of package A. So that's how we're going to set it up. We're going to find 85% of 5 kilograms, and our answer is 4.25 kilograms. I'm not running through the math today, so I hope you guys are. If you are getting answers that are different than mine, you need to go back and check your process. All right, so on this word problem, we're going to write a statement when we're done. There are 20 girls and 32 boys in a photography class. How many percent more boys are there than girls? Looks like I'm missing a couple words in my PowerPoint, but that's okay. How many more boys are there than girls? So this is a more over than problem. We want to find the difference between boys and girls and put that in our numerator, and then we want to put our number of girls in the denominator. So if we subtract 20 from 32, we're going to get 12, and we want to put that over 20 and then convert that to a percentage. So when we go through all of that work, we're going to get 60%, and our statement is there are 60% more boys than girls. There are 100 students in a band and choir. 60 of them are boys. How many percent more boys are there than girls? So again, we're going to find the difference between boys and girls. Now this problem requires an extra step because we're given the number of students in the band and choir, but we're only told how many boys there are. So we can assume that since there are 100 total students and 60 of them are boys, 40 of them are going to be girls. And then we need to find the difference between boys and girls, and we need to put that over the amount of girls. So we're going to subtract 40 from 60 to get 20. That's our difference. And we're going to put 20 over 40. 40 is the number of girls, and that's what we're comparing to. And then we're going to convert that to a percentage. And we're going to come up with 50%. My statement is there are 50% more boys than girls. All right, there are 600 people at a movie. 250 of them are adults, and the rest are children. How many percent more children than adults are there? So this is a similar problem where we need to subtract 250 adults from the 600 people and find that number first to give us our amount of children. So there it is right there. So if we subtract 250 from 600, we'll get 350. Then we're going to find the difference between 350 and 250, so children minus adults, and we're going to compare that to adults. Our than is adults in this word problem. So 100 is our difference. We put that over 250, and then we're going to convert that to a percentage. And we are going to find that that is 40%, and our statement is there are 40% more children than adults. All right, one more or so. Okay, so a printer used 90 pounds of paper last month. This month it used 20% less paper. How much paper did the printer use? So last month it used 90 pounds. If it used 20% less paper this month, that means that it used 80% of what it used last month. So we need to find 80% of 90 pounds, which is 72 pounds, and that's our answer. All right, my friends, that's it for this quick little video. These were just more word problems with a couple extra steps.